Okay, welcome back, parents. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today is our second lecture for EVS. Okay, today is our second lecture for EVS. And what is our topic? Before I start, I would like to ask some questions to the parents. Okay, now parent, as it is lockdown everywhere. Now it's lockdown everywhere, right? सब जगह पे lockdown है, and we are not able to go anywhere. So, which place do you miss a lot? आप कौन सा place ज़्यादा miss करते हो? Just give me the reply in the chat box. Yes, which place do you all miss a lot? अभी यहाँ पे everywhere there is a lockdown. Hope you all are able to hear me. Hope you all are able. Okay, some are saying native place, garden, and what else? Yes. Okay, beaches and yes, somebody said school. Yes, good. So most of our children are missing school. Yes, yes. So what is our today's topic? Our topic is regarding my school. Yes. So I'm going to show that how you all are going to introduce your children about my school. How you will introduce your child. So you have to ask some simple question to your child. You have to ask them a question. जैसे अभी मैंने आपको question किया, which place do you miss a lot? तो when you introduce about my school to your child, आपको भी उनको questions करना है. Yes, thank you very much parents for your responses. Thank you very much. So everyone miss school, right? We also miss our school. We also miss our children. So our children are also missing their school. उनको भी बहुत miss हो रहा है ना school. Yes. Now, how you are going to introduce? You have to show picture of my school to your child. आपके school diary, everyone are having school diary? Yes, yes. So just show the images of school and ask your child कि what is this? What can you see on this? आपको उनको images show करना है and you have to ask the question. What is this? What can you see? Yes, this is school. Yes, this is a school building. Yes. Now, what is the name of the school? Ask your child, what is the name of your school? Yes. What is the name of our school? Can anyone? Yes. Yes. The name of our school is Infant Jesus Toddlers. See here. The name of our school is Infant Jesus Toddlers. Yes. You have to say in full. Infant Jesus Toddlers. So, what you have to do? आपको क्या करना है? So, some images of school or even in the school diary, there is a picture of our school. You have to show them. You have to put on a question. आपको उनको question करना है. Which place do you miss a lot? Now it's lockdown. तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा place miss करते हो? They are going to give you many answers. वो अपने आप से अपने बहुत सारे answers देंगे. Yes. And you have to ask, do you miss your school? क्या आप अपने school को miss करते हो? Yes or no? Let them give the answer. Yes or no. Okay. So you miss your school. So why do you miss your school? आप क्यों मिस करते हो आपके स्कूल को? What आप वहाँ पे क्या करते थे? What do you do in your school? आप उनको questions put on कीजिए कि what you do in your school. Yes. What do we do in our school? We study, we learn, we read, we write. Yes. We play with our friends. Yes or no? Yes. And what else? Event, playground, dancing, singing. We all used to do everything at school. Yes or no? Do you miss your friends? Yes? Yes. We all miss our friends. Yes or no? Do you miss your teachers? आप अपने teachers को miss करते हो? Yes. So in this way, you have to ask question to your children. Okay? Yes. And this is our school. And what is the name of our school? Infant Jesus Toddlers. Yes. Now, yes. Coming to the next slide. Yes. See, who are they? They are your teachers. Can you see? These are your teachers. Yes. Do you miss your teachers? You have to ask them. Yes, they are your teachers. See, this is teacher Sanjota and teacher Bharti. Teacher Sanjota and teacher Bharti. Yes or no? I am teacher Sanjota. Yes. And the next teacher is teacher Bharti. Yes. So these both are your teachers. Yes. So we also miss you a lot. So उनको question put on करना है. Who are your teacher? What is the name of your teacher? Yes, teacher Sanjota and teacher Bharti are our teacher. Yes. So in this way, you have to ask your child. Now, you have to ask more question when you go to your school. आप अपने बच्चों को ऐसे पूछना है कि you go to your school, आपके स्कूल में आपको कौन से places दिखाई देते हैं? Which places do you find in your school? See, places in my school. Which places are there in your school? Yes, which places are there in your school? Yes, classroom. And what else? Yes, I'm getting the answers. I'm getting the responses. Very good. And what else you can see in your school? Classroom. And what else? और क्या दिखाई देता है आपको स्कूल में? Staff room. Okay. Principal rooms. Very good. Washroom. Yes, yes. Very good. Yes. So in this way, you have to ask question to your children. Yes. Playground also. Yes. Now, see here. Yes, this is a classroom. You have to show some images of classroom. आप उनको classroom के कुछ images वगैरह दिखाइए and ask them, what is this? What can you see over here? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I'm getting many responses. Thank you, parents. So what you have to do? You have to show some images to your children. आप उनको classroom के कुछ images show कीजिए and ask them, what can you find in this classroom? See, so many boys and girls are over here. Yes or no? Yes. See your classroom. What is there in your classroom? Desk, benches. Yes. Your friends also are there. Yes or no? You sit with your friend. There are boys, girls, and your teacher. Yes. Blackboards are there. Yes or no? So this is your classroom. What you do in your classroom? What you do in your classroom? We sit, we study. Yes or no? Yes. We sit, we study with our friends. And in which class you are. Now this is your classroom. In which class you are? Yes, you all are in senior KG. And what is your division? Some are in D division, some are in E, and some in F division. Yes. So this is my classroom. I am in senior KG. Yes, D, E, F division. Yes. So these are your division. So this is what? This is your classroom. So in this way, you have to teach your child. Show them the images of some classroom and ask them question that what is this? This is your classroom. Yes or no? Yes. So what you find in your classroom? आपको आपके क्लास में क्या क्या दिखाई देता है? What you do in your classroom? In which class you are? So in this way, you have to ask them some questions and let your child give the answers. Yes. So this was our classroom. Now, coming to the next place in our school. Let us see which is the next place. Yes. What is this? This is a principal room. What is this? This is a principal room. See here. It is a principal's office. Yes or no? Can you see a principal's office over here? Yes. And now, who sits in the principal room? Who sits in the principal room? Yes. Principal madam. Who sits in the principal room? Principal madam. So parents, you have to show some images of principal room to your children. आप उनको images show कीजिए and you have to ask them a question. Who sits in the principal room? कौन बैठता है principal room में? Yes, principal madam. Who sits in the principal room? Principal madam. Yes. And now you have to ask them, who is the head of our school? आपके स्कूल का हेड कौन है? Who is the head of our school? Yes, principal madam is the head of our school. Yes, principal madam is the head of our school. So in this way, you are going to teach your child. Yes. Now coming to the next room. Let us see which is the next room. Yes, this is a, which room is this? See, you can see so many teachers are sitting over here. See, yes or no? Yes. So this is a, yes, this is the staff room. So you have to show the images of staff room. Now, children may get confused with staff room because most of the children have never seen the staff room. बहुत से बच्चों ने staff room नहीं देखा है. So you have to explain them. How you are going to explain that this is a staff room. Here, teachers come together. What they do over here? When they are not in their class, जब वो अपने क्लास में नहीं होते हैं, so they come and sit over here, they have their lunch, they share their tiffin and they do their work over here. Teacher क्या करती है staff room में? They check your books, yes or no? They make so many works are there. Teachers को कितने सारे work होते हैं school का. They do their work over here. They sit together, they share their lunch and they also do their work. So this is known as staff room. What it is known as? A staff room. Yes. So you have to explain your child कि staff room क्या होता है. Okay, parents? Okay. So now let's see the next room of our school. Now, yes, what can you see over here? What can you see over here? Yes. Which room is this? आपने अपने क्लास स्कूल में ये रूम देखा है? Yes. What it is? It is a washroom. Yes, it is a washroom. Now, you have to ask your child, when you want to go for toilet or you want to go for hand wash, तो आप कौन से रूम में जाते हो? आप प्रिंसिपल के रूम में जाते हो? आप क्लासरूम में जाते हो हैंड वॉश करने के लिए? Where you go? Yes, you go in a washroom. Yes, yes, I'm getting many responses. So in this type, आपको अपने बच्चों को जम्बल्ड अप क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं. Just ask them any question randomly. Where you go for your wash, hand wash? आप हैंड वॉश के लिए कहाँ जाते हो? प्लेग्राउंड में जाते हो टॉयलेट करने के लिए? So in this way, make them little confused and see what responses your child give. Yes, this is our washroom. What we do over here? We, when we want to use toilet or we want to wash our hands, where we go? We go to the washroom. Yes. Now, next to this, what can you see over here? This is our favorite place. Yes or no? Yes, it's a school playground. What is this? It is a school playground. So you have to ask your child what you do on the playground. आप playground में क्या करते हो? Yes, what you do on the playground, and let them reply. Let them answer. Yes, what we do in the playground? We, yes, when there is a PT lecture, our PT sir, PT teacher takes us on the playground. Yes, and we do exercises. We do running race. Yes or no? You all enjoy running? Yes. Do you miss your playground? Do you miss your school playground? Yes, everyone miss our school playground. Okay. Yes. So in this way, you are going to ask question to your child and let them give the answers for your question. Okay. Now, coming to the next. Now, we saw so many places of our school. हमने अपने school के places देखे. Which places do we saw? Which places do we saw in our school? We saw classroom and what else? Playground, staff room, principal's room and washroom. These are the places in our school. And events at my school. Now, when you go to school, there are so many activities and competitions हमारे school में होते हैं. Yes or no? So, which events are there in your school? You have to ask your child. आपके school में और कौन से events होते हैं? कौन से event, कौन से day celebration किया जाता है? You have to ask question to your child. So, let them answer. Yes. Let us see which events are there in our school. Yes. Annual day. Yes or no? We all celebrate annual day. Yes. And what else? Yes. This is the school assembly. You can see school assembly. What is school assembly? You have to say them. What is school assembly? when we come together and we stand in a proper line, हम खड़े होते हैं and we say some prayers and all in school assembly, yes or no? Yes. So this is a school assembly where everyone come together, all classes come together for assembly, and our principal madams says something to us. जब हमारे principal ma'am हमसे कुछ बातें करते हैं, that time every children, sub classes नीचे आता है, we stand in a line, yes, yes. So this is a school assembly where everyone come together. Now annual day, what do we do in the annual day? Annual day में क्या होता है? Everyone loves the annual day, yes or no? Yes. Dance, singing, drama, yes or no? Last year we had a drama skit and everything in our school. We all enjoyed. And soon when the school reopens again, we all are going to have the same thing in our school. So in this way, you have to ask question to your children. Now, coming to the next. And what else we have in our school? Yes, sports day. Yes or no? Yes, sports day. So here you have to ask your child which day you like the most. आपको sports day अच्छा लगता है या आपका annual day अच्छा लगता है? Ask them question. Yes, what you do in the sports day? Sports day में क्या activities होते हैं? Which games are there in the sports day? You have to ask question. Hopping, running, lemon and spoon. Yes or no? Yes. So, and what else? There is a competition. Yes, many activities are also celebrated in school. Vegetable day, color day. Yes. So in this way, you have to ask question to your child and let your child give the answers for each and everything. So this is our school. In our school, what we do in our school? We go, we study, we play. Yes or no? We read, we recite poem, stories, we enjoy with our friends. Yes or no? Yes. So in school, there are so many activities. We all come together and we all celebrate the days and activities. So we all do so many things in our school. So in this way, you have to explain your child what is a school and what places are there in the school and which events are celebrated in our school. Okay. Now, these are some activities. Now we studied about our school. Okay. So your parents, you have to make a worksheet for your child in this way. उनको अभी spellings भी याद करवाना है. हमने उनको पूरा introduce करवाया with each and everything. So now we have to teach them about the spellings also. So here I have made a missing letters worksheet. Okay. So the first one, how you are going to teach your child. You have to give the options in the bracket. जैसे मैंने options दिए हुए हैं. Okay. So you also have to give some missing letters, words and give the options and let your child find out the correct spelling for that. First one is a washroom. Okay. The first one is a washroom. So how your child is going to identify a washroom with the help of sound. Yes. V means W. Yes. So which letter is going to come over here? W. Yes. So the washroom starts with which spelling? W. The washroom starts with which spelling? W. Okay. So your child is going to write here W. W for washroom. W for washroom. Yes. Now the second one. See, it's a playground. Again, pa pa playground. Yes, and ground is g. G means G. Yes. So in this way, you have to teach your child the spelling with help of their sound. Okay. Now coming to the next. Yes. Now see here on the screen, you can see a school picture. Okay. So here, this is my school. My school name is. So what is the name of your school? Yes, everyone, what is the name of your school? Yes, it's infant, Jesus, toddlers. So you have to write the whole spelling over here. You are going to write the full spelling over here. Okay, infant, Jesus, toddlers. Okay, So you are going to write the full spelling of my school. Okay. Infant, Jesus, toddlers. So this is my school. My school name is Infant, Jesus, toddlers. So you have to teach your child the spelling of my school. That is Infant, Jesus, toddlers. Yes. And the next is, this is my teacher. Who teaches you in the classroom? Who teaches you in the school? Who teaches in your classroom? कौन पढ़ाता है आपको? Who teaches? Yes. कौन सिखाता है आपको स्कूल में? You have to ask them question. Yes, my teacher teaches me in my school. And what is the name of your teacher? As I've already told, there are two teachers. Yes, teacher Sanjota and teacher Bharti. Yes, so you have to say them to write the spelling of teacher Sanjota and teacher Bharti. Yes, this is my teacher. My teacher name is Mrs. Teacher Sanjota and teacher Bharti. Yes, so you have to teach the spelling of my school name is Infant Jesus Toddlers and my teacher name is teacher Sanjota and teacher Bharti. Okay. Okay, hope you all have understood the concept of my school. Yes, parents, if any of the parents have any doubt, they can ask me. Hope the concept is clear with everyone. Yes, parents? Yes. Thank you very much.